Hey there, beautiful friend, I am Lit, and in this video I want to share with you a technique that I used, which is a bit morbid and it's a bit difficult to do, and at the same time it's really productive. But I don't know, just if you feel like doing it, do it, but it's a bit powerful, it's a bit strong to do. It's actually, I call it visiting your grave, and that's basically what it is. You just imagine that you're dead, and you come in your spirit and you are standing in front of your grave and you are talking to yourself basically. And yeah, that's it. Just go there and imagine. I did it a lot of times now, and actually I released a lot of my negative feelings towards myself, because the first time I did that I was really angry. Like I went there and I just stood in front of that grave and I started to say everything like, man, you are stupid, you did some crazy shit in your life, I hate you and all that. And little by little, the more I did this meditation, the more I was able to see where those feelings came from, the fact that I was actually hurt, and the fact that I truly loved myself and I had some expectations from myself, and that's the reason why I hated myself in the end. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. That's the technique, and have an amazing day, and I love you.